हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल अमिका जिनस। अगर आप लॉ करते हैं या लॉ कर चुके हैं या फिर अभी आपने स्टार्ट किया है या ऐसा कहें कि आप किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आप हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और बात करते हैं, आज हम 20 इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यू टाइप डिस्कस करेंगे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया के। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द गवर्नर ऑफ अ स्टेट इज अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑन द एडवाइस ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, चीफ मिनिस्टर, चीफ जस्टिस। आपके पास 5 सेकंड है इसको आंसर करने के लिए। ऑप्शन ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज द राइट आंसर। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द प्रेसिडेंट गिव्स हिज रेजिग्नेशन टू द चीफ जस्टिस, पार्लियामेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट और प्राइम मिनिस्टर। आपके पास 5 सेकंड है। Option C, Vice President is the correct answer. So the next question is, for what period does the Vice President of India hold office? Option A 5 year, B till the age of 65 years, C 6 years, D 2 years. आपके पास 5 सेकंड है इसको आंसर करने के लिए। Option A 5 year is the correct answer. So the next question is, question number 4, who among the following holds office during the pleasure of the president? Option A governor, B election commissioner, C speaker of Lok Sabha, D prime minister. The correct answer is governor, option A. Which of the following is not true regarding the payment of the emoluments of president? Option A, they can be reduced during a financial emergency. B, they are shown separately in a budget. C, they are charged on the contingency fund of India. D, they do not require any parliamentary sanction. Option C is the correct answer. They are charged on the contingency fund of India. The total number of members nominated by the President of India to the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha is 16, 18, 14, 12. Option C 14 is the correct answer. And the next question is, question number 7, which one of the following does not constitute the electoral college for electing the President of India? Option A, elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Legislative Assembly of each state, elected members of the Legislative Council, elected member of Rajya Sabha. C is the correct option, elected members of the Legislative Council. The Council of Ministers in a parliamentary type of government can remain in office till it enjoys the support of what? A option, minority of member of the upper house of parliament, majority of the members of the upper house of the parliament, minority of the members of the lower house. Option D, majority of the members of the lower house of the parliament. Option D, majority of the members of the lower house of the parliament. Question number 9, which of the following appointments is not made by President of India? Chief of the Army, Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Chief Justice of India, Chief of the Air Force. And the correct answer is option B, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. लोकसभा के स्पीकर की जो अपॉइंटमेंट है वो प्रेसिडेंट के द्वारा नहीं की जाती है। हु अपॉइंट्स द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? लोकसभा, प्रेसिडेंट, पार्लियामेंट, सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया। ये थोड़ा टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन बन जाता है जब सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया वर्ड यूज किया जाता है, ठीक है। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्रेसिडेंट। The first woman governor of a state in free India was Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, Mrs. Sucheta Kriplani. The correct answer is option C, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Minimum age required to contest for presidentship is 23 years, 21 years, 35 years, 30 years. The correct answer is option C, 35 years. The charge of impeachment against the President of India for his removal can be preferred by both House of Parliament, Speaker of Lok Sabha and Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. The correct option is option A, both houses of parliament. The chief minister of a union territory where such a setup exists is appointed by lieutenant governor, majority part in legislature, president, prime minister. The correct answer is option A, lieutenant governor. Who was the first prime minister of India? भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री कौन थे? ऑप्शन ए जवाहरलाल नेहरू, मिसेज इंदिरा गांधी, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, डी महात्मा गांधी. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct option. In case a president dies while in office, the vice president can act as president for a maximum period of 1 year, 3 months, 6 months, 2 years. The correct option is option C, 6 months. The Union Council of Ministers consists of Cabinet Ministers, Ministers of State and Deputy Ministers, Cabinet Ministers and Chief Ministers of the States, Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers. Option A, Cabinet Ministers, Minister of State and Deputy Ministers are included in Union Council of Ministers. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India before he enters upon the office? Chief Justice, Speaker, Vice President, Prime Minister. Option A, Chief Justice is the correct answer of the question number 18. Who among the following enjoys the rank of a Cabinet Minister of the Indian Union? None of the above. Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission, Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha, Secretary to the Government of India. Option B, Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission is the correct answer. And the last question, 20. A person who is not member of Parliament can be appointed as minister by the President for the maximum period of 9 months, 3 months, 12 months, 6 months. Option D, 6 months is the right answer to the question 20. With this, we are going to end our quiz. और अगर आपको अच्छी लगती है वीडियो तो आप लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.